In this video, I will show you how to play split screen on Fortnite. Now, like everything else in life, even the most popular battle royale game is more fun when you play it with your friends. Although the best way to play Fortnite with friends is by partying up, Fortnite split screen is another option for. So if you are looking to defeat the latest Chapter 2 remix NPCs on with your couch buddies, learn how to play split screen on Fortnite right here. So to begin the process, first open Fortnite and join a duos or a squads lobby. You have to connect the second controller and use the PlayStation button or Xbox button to turn it on. You have to select a new user from the user profiles and sign into it. On the Fortnite lobby, hold the P2 login hold button on the second controller, X on PlayStation and A on Xbox. You will see the second player in the lobby, and once the game loads, you will be able to play Fortnite on a split screen. That is how you can play Fortnite split screen on PlayStation or Xbox console. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.